Sure, going to show you a quick demo. The first step is just follow this left-hand column. First step is to upload an image. Super easy. Just click on that, and I've already uploaded the image to save a little bit of time. One of the things too that I want you to see is at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, you'll see all your shortcuts, your keyboard shortcuts. So you can click on your keyboard shortcuts, and you'll see all the different shortcuts. One of my favorite shortcuts is the pan, which is Command or Control P, depending on if you're a Mac or a PC, or you can just hold down the space bar. And let me show you. So the way that this works is you need to set a reference point, and that reference point is a door. Exterior doors are 80 inches tall. So I'm going to zoom in. You can click the zoom in button to zoom in. But as I zoom in, you'll notice that door is a little bit off center. So what I'll do is I'll pan. You can tell that you have a pan because there's a little hand right there. Anyway, you could also hold the space bar. So I'm holding that space bar and I'm just dragging the screen over a little bit. So the first step again is to draw that reference point. So I'm going to draw the full length of the door, no more, no less. And I'm going to reset that zoom just because it'll be easier to see everything just by clicking reset. So then I'm going to click the line button, and then it's as simple as just drawing your lines. So this can be a gutter, it could be a roof line, it can be a flower bed, it could be a driveway. We have a lot of different users of INCHR. Couple cool things here too is not only is it adding the length, it's adding the totals, but it's also adding an additional 10%. A lot of our contractors wanted the additional 10% for materials, but just like that, I could then download this this as an image, and I can view it and save it however I want. Awesome. If you guys have any questions or feedback, we're always looking to improve. You can just send it right through this feedback form in the bottom left-hand corner, and thank you for watching.